No, it's not a video on chickens. This is. I just said to Jane, right, we need to get. Well, she said we need to get a scythe. So we've been looking online. Yeah, to do the bottom of the trees so they don't get sort of. Well, they get suffocated, don't they, by the weeds. And she goes, look at her feet. Nice feet, those, Jane. And she goes, hold on a minute. I mean, it needs a bit of work.
You want a long one, really, but you could put a handle on it.
What do you want me to do? You want me to sharpen it and clean it? Who is it?
Who is it?
Who's it by? Jakes and Otwell. How old's this?
I don't know, wasn't it?
So, okay. It needs a bit of a...
Back breaking.
Okay, I'll give that a clean up and see if we can get it in good working. Tell her go, we'll clean all that up and I'll replace the bolts and everything.
We'll have a go.
Okay. So a quick go, see how it cleans up. I'm using the handle off now. I will take the handle off and I'll replace those 2 screws with stainless steel ones, but just see how. It's like Jaws, isn't it? Look at that. Made in England. Is that Jenks and Hotel? Catel. Right. Might look them up. So let's have a go on the back, see what that comes up like, shall we? Yep, I think that's going to come out. Okay, it looks a bit pitted, but it's not bad actually. So I'll file. So I have to get this nice flat and then we'll start. Once that's done, we'll get a new edge on this. That should be beautiful. Yeah. Looking pretty good. Not too bad. I'll get an edge on that in a bit. I mean, it's only it's a scythe, so people know what they are, just for cutting back grass. Should we in focus there? Okay. I mean, they're all right really, but I will change them. Let's give this. I've started on the back end now. It's a bit of a. So I'll show you. I have to get that straightened out with a file. Make sure the edge is a bit rough. It's going to take a bit of sharpening. I mean, that's pretty blunt. I mean, you could spread butter with it, and that's about it's good for at the moment. Okay, so far, so 1 electric drill, 1 brush. I've got a better brush than that, but I cannot find it. And one of them is not finished yet, not quite finished yet. Well, there we go. And carbon steel hardened. Look at that. The nuts are alright actually. Not bad. Flip it over. So I'll carry on now with the I've started doing that part. So it's in good nick. I don't know how long it's been outside for. Probably yonks. And then we'll start on the handle. Using a bit of wet and dry, just going to go over it, getting the excess. There's not much rust left on it now. Get it nice and smooth. I'm going to be sorry about the wobbly bit. I'm on the bench outside. But like I said, that's the only little bit of pitting, which is nothing. So I'll carry on and then I'll get sharpening. So we're going to put a bit of an edge on this now, which I've just started to do. So what you'll need to do is keep the file flat on the base. That's just a nice flat edge then. And then on the curved, then you're going to follow the curve of the original, which is what we're doing. So this is just demo person. I'll usually put it in a vise because it's a bit safer. But I want to try and get, I'm not really too bothered, get some of these notches out, but I'm not really bothered. It's just for down the wood. And I mean the difference, if you can see the edge on that now, I can show you that. I mean, that is pretty sharp. I'll do a demo on how sharp it is in a bit. Okay, so we're getting there. So the edge is pretty good. I'll have this on a flat surface really. Let me just show, if I can show you. So I'm following the old edge and trying to get that back. You can see there. And then underneath you'll have a bit of a bevel. You'll feel a ridge and just hold the file flat. And just take that off. Okay. And check this again. You probably get a bit this side. I'm only showing you on this part. We're doing the whole blade actually. Let's see how sharp. See if we can get a bit of a demo going on that. Bear with me. These are. We can take the top off one of these, Jane.
What? Huh?
That's
That's pretty good.
that's pretty sharp. Right, there you go. So yeah, be careful anybody standing behind you. Instant guillotine. Oh, okay.
Actually, just grab it. Do you want to film that?
Yeah, go on. I've just pressed the remote control on this.
Where's the clump? Here?
Yeah, try that.
Ready?
Yep. Well, there you go. New lawnmower.
Take a while.
Okay, James took it. If you enjoyed the video, no, you're right. Give it a thumbs up. That'd be really appreciated. Thumbs up out of focus. Is it in focus now? Whatever. Any up and coming videos this end. Subscription button over there. Take care. Catch you in the next video. Because this is such a good rake. Look at it. This has done some work down the cabin and it broke. I thought, so there was a load of plastic up to about here, so I took all this plastic back, found there was still a metal rod going inside, so I just welded it. Bit pigeony, but it's done the job, so I got my rake back. There we go. Instead of just one of these throwaway commodities, we decided to reuse.